night together feels like the first kiss. It's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, you're still the one. First time our eyes met, same feeling I get. Only feels much stronger, but a little longer. You still turn the fire on. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only want to make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I don't know what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Please believe me. Every word I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. As I sit in the smoking room, the night about to end, I pass my time with strangers, but this butter's my only friend. Remembering when we used to park on Boulder Street out in the dark. Remember when we lost the keys, and you lost more than that in the backseat, baby. Remember how we used to talk about busting out, break the hearts together forever. Never say goodbye, never say goodbye. You and me and my old friends, hoping it would never end. Say goodbye, never say goodbye. Holding on, we gotta try. Holding on to never say goodbye. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. For the morning sun and all its glory,